going on? Welcome back to another coilover install. Hopefully these ones don't have a fucking knock in it, but I don't think they will because the guy seemed really trustworthy and he's got a sick shop. I'll tell you guys about it in a second. Got this lovely top up, CKJ Circus we got going on, $5 entry. Nah, it's just to keep the sun out, you know?
It's free entry if you help us work on our car.
Exactly, come do the coilovers for me.
Come over here.
Come over here, have a look at the coilovers, mate.
Follow me.
So they're ISCN1s, they're pretty fucking sick. These are it. They're pretty hectic, got basically looks like new bushings. So we'll be installing them now. But I'll show you guys the new parts I've got that I'm going to be installing on this car hopefully next week. And we'll be doing heaps of videos with it. So come inside. Thank you to GK Tech for sending this part overnight. So, let's come out. Hicas lock bar, so that way I don't get the four-wheel stir, so I can drift better. There's that. And thank you to GFB. Go Fast Bits. Fucking settle down, mate. Go Fast Bits. This came in with less than 24 hours from another state, so it's a manual boost controller. I'm going to be upping the boost, you know.
I do know.
You do know.
I know, I love upping boost.
The tacho, I'll be putting on my steering column. Don't look shit because I got the plastic cover on it. So that's sick, thank you Just Jet for sending that. And then I got these real Defi gauges.
Real.
Real.
Genuine.
You can tell by the box, they're genuine. So I got the turbo so I can tell how much boost I'm running. I got the oil temp so when I'm drifting fucking hard, I know how hot the fucking oil's cooking. And then the water temp. You gotta know your numbers, mate.
That's right. The key to a healthy engine.
And I got myself some lug nuts, so it looks sick on those dynamic wheels that I got.
Let's close up with those
Chrome,
nuts.
real silver.
I like your nuts, mate.
Oh mate, polish them every day, mate.
Oh.
Prevents them getting from lube. Can't get me, can't get me. Sit. Handshake? What a sick cut. Alright, so these are dynamic 17x9s. I've got two 1545s running on them, so it's got lovely stretch. As you can see, look at that pitbull, mate. Fuck off. You know what I'm saying? Gonna be a nice fitment when I dump that shit. The reason why I got these luggies.
You polish nuts.
Look at that, mate. I would've got the spiked ones, but you know, fucking someone might fall into it and there's a fucking kebab on my rim. Fuck, I'm hungry today.
You're on fire today, Andrew.
Man, I should do a stand-up. These ones might be a bitch to fucking...
That is some deep, delicious dish right there.
Yeah, mate.
I'm gonna eat my dinner out of that dish.
Time lapse. It's like, where the fuck is that time? There it is. Why does this one look good? It's like it's been on a single pegger.
It's been you doing the single peggers.
And for some reason, since we changed that diff oil, it's been spinning both. Or is it holding pressure now?
Seems to be holding pressure now.
I hate this part because this cuts my arms. Just caught it.
That's not all the way down, is it? Oh, it is.
Yeah. Can, but could come a little lower.
Just it'll take a minute to remind our viewers. Just don't work in sandals or thongs. Just don't do it. Preferably safety boots, but It is like 36 degrees right now.
We couldn't be fucked doing a time lapse for the front coilovers because it's like doing the back. But you guys are gonna see some hectic shit anyway. So, yeah. It's too hot to talk, you know what I mean? It's like 50 degrees in Melbourne right now. I mean, we're in Africa.
South Africa?
No, man, we're in Madagascar. With talking animals and shit. I'm friends with the polar bear. Say what?
That sticker says $5.95. Hey, if it looks stupid but it works, it ain't stupid.
That's right.
Hectic antiseptic.
This is dope, man. This is dope.
Thought you were about to trip over.
Nah, I'm just getting scratched.
You want me to help you with it?
Oh my god. Thanks, mate. Alright, that way. Yep, okay. Why was it making...
Is it rubbing against something? Or is it just the wheel bearing?
It's hitting the brake caliper.
Oh really?
That should wear down.
Andrew's nuts are now installed.
Damn straight.
Some nice nuts. Lug nuts.
Yeah, that.
It looks like it clears the caliper. So we've run into some issues with the front wheels not clearing the calipers. I think it looks a lot better, but unfortunately...
So it's rubbing up against the metal on metal. Just by like a little bit, so we're gonna go to the auto store. I'm gonna go get like a 5mm gasket. Not gasket. God.
Gasket. Get a head gasket and chuck it in there.
Yeah, so I don't get any fucking air leaks. Anyway, I'm gonna get some 5mm spacers. So that way it should clear the caliper and it shouldn't make the wheel stick out a bit. It looks pretty fucking sick. Can't be bothered fucking adjusting, it's too hot. Yeah.
So since the wheels don't clear the calipers, we've had to go to Autobarn and get some 5mm spacers or 10mm spacers.
So that way they will work. It's been a long ass day.
Now tent has fallen down.
Because it don't want to do its job. Oi. Start it on, see it. There should be enough thread.
I'm trying to do this without using my feet.
Can you spin it freely?
Yep.
It's not touching?
No.
Sick.
Thank God.
suspension's working good. Check this shit out. One hand Dewey. So much better. You guys can hear us. So yeah, we just done the coilovers, put the spacers, so now the wheels aren't hitting the calipers. Fucking car handles so much better now. So I'll be able to handle those corners at higher speeds without slipping out, so it's fucking sick. And if I want to go drifting, we'll fucking handle way better. And when I do the hicas lock bar, then I'll do the wheel alignment. So don't say, get a wheel alignment, shut the fuck up. I'm gonna do my hicas first.
Instead of a boat now, it feels like a shopping trolley. So
Fucking drift around the fucking, what do you call it, aisles.
no suspension, just
solid mount.
but nice smooth drifting.
Yeah. And thanks to the dude from OG JDM, he hooked me up with these coilovers. I'll put a link in the description of his warehouse. He's got all Skyline parts, Toyotas, you fucking name it, it's all JDM. So cheers, mate. And cheers to you viewers and all your subs. Give this video a like because we fucking worked our ass off in the fucking heat. And anyway,
Give us 1,000 subs to make it all worth it. So
please give it a bit of a wipe, mate. But yeah, you'll see more videos of this soon. We're just fucking tired. We want to go fucking take a, a cat nap. So catch you guys in the next one.